The Internet of Things is transforming manufacturing for suppliers as well as customers. On the shop floor and in the back office, the Internet of Things, or IoT, links the physical world with the digital world. For manufacturers, it is physical things, like machines and tools, and the people who operate them, that drive the production process and create the end products that customers use every day. IoT connects these things and their environments to a network, so that instant, accurate information can be shared. Making sense of this data can help manufacturers build and deliver products faster and plan more effectively. IoT helps monitor machine utilization and predict machine breakdowns, so workers can react immediately and plan workflow efficiently. IoT data also improves the flow of information, parts and products along the supply chain. For example, sensors placed in delivery trucks can help companies plan better routes and offer more accurate delivery estimates by tracking products from the factory to the consumer. And using IoT technology means customer feedback can be incorporated into the product design process, resulting in better products and better customer service. Follow us for inspiration and practical guidance on how to adopt IoT and innovate in your business.